Welcome back to my channel guys, and today we are going to set up the VS Code coding environment for Golang. So the very first step what you need to do is install VS Code using this link. You can install VS Code for the Windows using this link here. And the second step what you need to do, just go on the golang.org to download that Golang installer for the Microsoft Windows. So you just simply need to click on this and download in your system. I already downloaded. Let me see first. See, this is Go 1.14 version is already downloaded and installed in my system. If I try to install again, so it will show the option for repair because it's already installed. So you just need to do next till its installation completed. See, this is showing repair for me, so I cannot install it again. So you can simply go do next, okay? And the third step is you have to set your GOPATH and GOROOT in your Windows machine. So what you need to do is GOPATH is nothing workspace directory is there for the Golang. So for me, GOPATH is drive E workspace and Go codebase. This is my GOPATH where the Golang source file will be there. And the GOROOT is nothing but the C drive where all the Golang binaries are installed. That is nothing but here. So C Go is the GOROOT and working directory is my GOPATH. If you want to verify that, so go to the properties, advanced system settings, environmental variable. So GOPATH is, you can see this is my workspace, and if you want to verify the GOROOT, so you can go and click on edit. So this is nothing but our GOROOT. To verify that it is installed successfully or not, go to the command prompt and just type go. So you can see Go is successfully installed in my system. So all are the option is showing here. The next step is go to the Visual Studio and install the VS Code extension. Open your Visual Code Studio. It is taking some time, and go to this extension button here and just type go. So the first extension if you are seeing that, so this is the Go extension, so you can install using this button because I already installed it. This is not showing the option for me. And after installing this Golang, just restart your Visual Studio again and do this go install and update tools in command palette. So for the command palette, you can use the shortcut Ctrl Shift and P in Windows and type go install, the first option if you are seeing here. So you just need to select all and just click on OK. So after that, all the Go supporting packages and the linter for the testing things, everything will be installed in your Windows machine. So it will help you in future if you're writing the big project in Golang, and it will enable the intelligence to make your Golang work easier. And just so we are going to verify if it's working or not. So what I need to do, just create a new file main.go here. So I am in my Go code base. You can see here main Go. I'm just writing a piece of Golang code. It is working or not. Package main. I'm importing FMT. funcmain, just type fmt dot println. Hello gophers. Let's try to run it is running or not. You can see hello gophers are printed out. So for this Visual Studio Code, my personal setting, if you want, and if you want to make your git bash terminal as your primary terminal in my VS Code, so you can follow that video. I'll make it separate videos on that, and don't worry about this code, I'll explain in the later tutorials. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.